Confused by say, tell, speak, and talk? You're not alone. These four verbs are one of the most common problems for English learners from A2 to B2. In this lesson, you'll learn the key differences, simple rules, and easy examples to help you use them correctly. Stay until the end for a quick cheat sheet you can save and use anytime. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. Formula: say plus a word or phrase to say or pronounce something. For example, say something. Please say something. Say hello. He said hello and smiled. Say goodbye. We didn't have time to say goodbye. Say yes or no. He said no immediately. Say sorry. He said sorry for being late. Say thanks or thank you. She said thank you. Say a few words. The director said a few words. Say a prayer. They said a prayer before dinner. Say. Quick summary. Use say when you focus on the words that are spoken, not on the listener. Formula: say plus word/phrase. The verb tell, the arrow to the listener. Important rule: tell plus person. Me, him, her, us, them, Bob. Tell to me. Tell me. Formula: tell plus person plus information. Tell me. Him. Her. Us. Tell me your name. Tell him I'm busy. Tell the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell a lie. He told a lie. Tell a story. Grandpa told us a story. Tell a joke. She told a funny joke. Tell a secret. Don't tell anyone my secret. Tell the difference. I can't tell the difference. Tell the time. Can you tell the time? Tell. Quick summary. Use tell when you give information to a specific person. Formula: tell plus person plus information. Key idea: tell equals who receives the information. The verb speak. The language and formal speech verb. Main idea: use speak for languages, formal communication, public speaking, and the manner of speaking. Formal speech, speaking. Use speak for presentations, meetings, speeches, or formal conversations. He speaks at meetings. The boss wants to speak with Bob. She spoke at the conference. How someone speaks. Use speak plus adverb to describe the way a person speaks. Speak loudly. Please speak loudly. Speak softly. She speaks softly. Speak clearly. You need to speak clearly. Formula: speak plus language, speak with plus person, speak adverb. Speak English. Bob speaks English. Speak German. Do you speak German? Speak with someone. I need to speak with you. Speak at a meeting. He speaks at meetings. Speak loudly. Please speak loudly. Speak softly. She speaks softly. Speak clearly. You need to speak clearly. Speak. Quick summary. Use speak when talking about languages, formal communication, or the way someone speaks. Formula: speak plus language, speak plus with plus person, speak plus adverb. The verb talk, everyday conversation and dialogue. Main idea: use talk for informal, everyday conversations. It is usually a two-way process, a dialogue, chat, or discussion. Formula: talk plus to or with person. Talk plus about topic. Examples: talk to/with friends. I talked with my friends all evening. Talk about movies. We talked about movies for hours. Talk about sports. They always talk about football. Talk with colleagues. Let's talk with colleagues first. Talk. Quick summary. Use talk for friendly, informal, two-way communication. Formula. Talk plus to or with person. Talk plus about topic. And now, as promised, here is your cheat sheet. Pin it, save it, review it whenever you need a quick reminder, and you'll never confuse say, tell, speak, and talk again. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, give this video a like, share it with your friends who are learning English, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future lessons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.